happened?
So a bait was recovering with a fireball, and right before Hax's up B touched the ledge, he got hit with the fireball, and a misfire came and hit him and killed him.
Oh, it's just me now.
When you're a kid, you're in the game back stretch where it's the ball
Making it difficult for Luigi to come back.
Okay, 77 damage though. And he's looking to, fight this off. Right now, this could be the last stock in the tournament. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This guy, he just puts his hand, gives a thumbs up in his face, Rico Suave style. Are you serious, dude?
I just can't believe that
On the Angel platform, he just side B's Misfires.
Time to do something anyway. So we're on last stop. Excuse me, Eddie Mexico. Oh my god. Oh my god, no one deserves that.
Oh, Doc really wants to get back on stage.
Well, I can't say I blame him.
Oh, that's no way! What? Is he gonna win? Oh!
Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my gosh.
Digging it. Yeah.
So this is for, I believe, like 13th or like 17th, something like that.
I really hope Connor takes it. I hope he.
Oh no!
Did you see that headbanger's ball that Abe did?
What just happened?
A lot more familiar with, I would say, the
Yeah.
community. Oh my goodness gracious, he went for it all right there with that side B. Let's see if
he
can get
still
out.
wins?
Platform cancel into the. Whoa!
Thought the turnip was going down, but still, decent job of creating some space. Oh! How dare you? How dare you? God.
Rico, du warst der Winner! Du bist ein Monstrum. Ja, Mann! Ja!
Not that much room for it. They weren't prepared for a double Luigi team. Oh my god! What a finish!
Of course he gets the misfire.
What a crowd pleaser.
Goes shortening his.
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah! I don't mean to cheat. Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Everybody. Let's go, Abate.
Taking the eye away pretty safely, but that down smash is gonna take him off. What? Oh, shakes his head. And we have the Luigi Stitch face coming in